Style my hair using the Tymo Air Hype. Dries with air speed, not using any heat. You don't have to use any heat protection. Great quality and futuristic design. Cool shot to 210 degrees Fahrenheit. 4 stable, low temperatures secured by sensor. 3 airspeed temperatures to fulfill tasks by air drying to style setting. The comb attachment is perfect for a curly hair girl's blowout to prepare for further styling. The Tymo Air High Blow Dryer is my favorite blow dryer to use. It made it so easy to do my hair for the following day to get my hair done. The fall time is approaching, which is the perfect time to blow out your hair, so why not try the Tymo Air Hype for yourself?